Roll back slightly onto your spine, pointing your legs and feet up toward the ceiling. Then use momentum to roll forward into a quasi-squat, where one foot is landing in front of you as it would with a front lunge, while the back leg is folded as it would be sitting cross-legged. Gently thrust your lead hip forward in this position to create a stretch through the inner thigh of the leg that is closer to the ground. Roll back and repeat, but switch legs so that both hips and inner thighs experience this stretch, and keep your core engaged the entire time. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.